Since it launched in 1963, we have sold millions of Canter units globally. Of course, Japan is a very important market for us, and here our Canter enjoys a 23% share of the market. But we are also widely successful outside Japan, particularly in Indonesia, in Taiwan, Australia, and Europe. In Indonesia, we are the #1 brand of choice for our customers. Since our entry into the country in 1970, we have achieved an impressive milestone of 1 million light-duty trucks sold. As we were the first commercial vehicle brands to do this with a single model in a single market. Last year, we enjoyed 55% share of the market, and even amid the COVID-19 pandemic, we have beaten our competitors in terms of sales volume, demonstrating that our products are reliable and add value to our customers. In Taiwan, last year, we had 40% share of the market. Just last month, we fulfilled Taiwan's new 5-ton regulations and launched a new Canter product with added safety features and higher loading capacity. Already we have handed over the first unit to a customer and are confident that we will continue to do well. Outside Asia, our Canter is also very successful. In Australia, our Canter is the only light-duty truck in the country with active emergency braking system. In Europe, our Canter also serves as the foundation of our popular e-Canter product as we work towards our goal of electrifying our entire portfolio and making the roads cleaner and safer for everyone.
I'm head of design, and I would like to give you some insights about our FUSO design strategy and how we design the new Canter. You must have seen outside we parked some historical Canter. I hope that you enjoy it as much as we do. Those historical Canter are very important to us because FUSO has a rich history full of great vehicles. We call them our brand icon. As you can see here, we have other brand icons. We are also designing beautiful buses like Aeroqueen, and we are also the people designing powerful heavy-duty truck like Super Great. It means that we have to design the best vehicle for each segment, for each customer. And to do so, we have to refer to our FUSO brand values. Authenticity, courage, persistence. It's very important for us that we offer the best design, best quality for each customer, each segment. As a design team, we have to offer a long-term vision. We design and we build for the future. We need to have a long-term strategy, clearly identified. Here you see that we have different vehicles, as I had explained to you. We have this consistent strategy because this allows us to have common parts, common technology. For example, we have a common LED headlamp. This gives us this unique chance to improve quality everywhere among our portfolio. Since few years, you start to see some buses with the new FUSO design. You have seen the Aeroqueen, Rosa, and today you are here to enjoy the new Canter. Here you see again that Canter is part of a long-term strategy. When we design a new vehicle, we like to look at the interaction between the truck and the city, between the truck and its context. So our engineers and designers spend hours in virtual reality system to simulate different contexts, to simulate different city landscape. We simulate narrow streets. So with the virtual reality system, we are able to make sure that our design is pertinent. The first impression is really important. We want to achieve this harmony between agility and stability. But even more important, when you come closer to the vehicle, you will realize that there is a lot of details. It's all about precision. We talked about the new LED headlamp already. You can see that all the parts around are extremely precise. It's efficient, it's so good looking. So quality is everywhere. We pay attention to the gap and flush, shut line, gaps. We are carefully looking to detail. Engineers and designers work together to make sure we always offer the best balance possible. So when you step back and look at this new FUSO design, you realize that we have this sporty bumper, sporty but solid at the same time. We have those sharp and compact LED headlamp, and which express a lot of agility. But in the meantime, we have this wide and stable FUSO black belt, which give to the entire truck a kind of harmony. So thank you so much for your attention today, and please enjoy the rest of the presentation. Thank you very much. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Welcome, dear guests, to this exciting presentation. With the launch of the new Canter, Truck Connect will be an integral part to further digitalize the transport and logistics industry for our customers and Mitsubishi FUSO. Since the introduction in 2017 with our heavy-duty truck Super Great, we have continuously implemented it throughout our portfolio from the E-Canter over our heavy-duty buses Aero Queen and Aero Ace towards the medium-duty truck Fighter. Today we are very excited to announce that it will be implemented in the new Canter in 100% of the fleets, which also means 100% of our entire truck portfolio will be connected from now onwards. The main features of Truck Connect are the information access to vehicle owners through our digital portal, which gives them full transparency of their operations, the possibility of our customers to act upon this information and understand where they have inefficiencies in their transportation process, and the increase of vehicle uptime and availability of their asset, because they can act upon any maintenance events faster than before. What powers Truck Connect is data. Big data which helps our customers and ourselves to understand what is going on in the business and gives them actionable insights on which they can react and further improve their operational efficiency. From FUSO, we also have the aspiration to improve our products with the data that we can gather out of these vehicles, understand maintenance events faster, and make sure to continuously implement them in our product improvement process. As such, Truck Connect goes beyond the truck itself, and in our vision will also help to make the truck a digital asset and future-proof even in the light-duty segment. In the next slide, I want to go into one of our key features, which is the telediagnostics feature. This feature basically connects the truck, the fleet, and our customer services all together to provide the customers an online service along their transportation business. We offer this again through the interactive Truck Connect portal, which is also available to our customers and our service locations. We understand the things going on in the truck by the diagnostics trouble codes, which are sent in live to our backend and helps us to understand which technical issues might be going on in the truck. We also provide a 24/7 customer service, which allows us to interact with the customer whenever an error occurs, and most importantly, allows us to assess if it's an error that is critical or if the customer can continue driving. The main benefits here are in reduced investigation time and also a diagnostics time reduction, and in the end, because we know most likely which parts have to be fixed, we can also speed up the parts delivery process. Furthermore, by detecting issues very early, we can prevent additional issues from happening and therefore also reduce the overall maintenance cost for the vehicle. Our main intention here is to give the customer maximum vehicle uptime and allow them to use the truck for what it's meant, to generate revenue in the transportation business of our customers. Lastly, what I said before, I do believe that we can continuously improve our products based on this service and make sure that we use the data to its best. Lastly, let me show you 4 additional features which are included in the Truck Connect portfolio. This is the Fuel Save feature, then it's the Safety Plus feature, it is the Fleet Utilization feature, and the Track and Trace feature. The Fuel Save feature tracks the fuel efficiency of all the vehicles in real time. You don't have to do it manual anymore. You can understand the entirety of your fleet and see where do you have highly efficient vehicles with highly efficient drivers and where do you have improvements. This directly allows our customers to act upon inefficiencies and improve the fuel efficiency and therefore the cost of their operations. The Safety Plus feature is something which is very important to our core. It's to give the customers insight into safe driving by analyzing events like harsh braking, harsh acceleration, and overspeeding. This allows our customers to interact with their drivers and also identify dangerous spots amongst their trips. By this, we hope we can reduce the safety issues and therefore also save on the insurance costs. The Fleet Utilization feature gives you an overview of the entirety of the fleet, shows you when are the vehicles standing, when are they parking, when are they idling, and when are they driving, what they should be doing, and helps you again to identify vehicles which could be used better and more, but also helps you reduce idling times and other inefficiency in the process. Lastly, at the core of our portal is the Track and Trace system, which allows you to track the fleet in real time, understand where are the trucks going, and also gives you the possibility for each single truck to look back on the trips that have been happening and where you had issues along the transportation process. So all in all, I'm sure and convinced that our customers will make the best out of these product features. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention.